Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we're looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we got resistance coming in right between these 41.16 to about 41.20. That's going to be our area or our zone of resistance here. Now, if we fail to get through, look for the short right back down into these 41.07 to about 41.04. If we do continue to get the support, this is going to be our zone to go long here, going back up through those 20s. Next level of resistance, 41.28 to about 41.35 as the area up above here as the next area. Now again, if we fail here, this would be a nice double top to try to push us right back to the downside. So we could see that opportunity happen here on S&P. Outside of that though, we got some support levels down below coming down here, 40.79 into maybe about 40.72 down below. So this is some areas that we could see some bounces, but right now still strongly bearish, so you want to keep that in mind. Could have the opportunity to try to continue lower, but again, solid support as of right now where we're currently at. So just want to make sure you play or trade around your zones and try not to trade in between. That could get you a little bit frustrated if you try to do that too much. Moving over into gold, we're coming up against some resistance, 1859, above that 1866.2 and 1870 to about 1872. Now if we get into this area of 1859 and we fail to get through, look for the short coming right back down, support 49 to about 1847.9, and then below that 1844 and then 1840.5. So again, we'll be looking for nice bottoms here. You can see a nice double bottom happen here, well actually quadruple bottom or even more. You had one touch, two touches, three touches, here's a fourth, and then here's a fifth for the push right back to the upside. So could look for nice opportunities to get a double bottom in this area. So you want to see maybe like an M formation and then a long opportunity. If not, look for the price action to move down into these 44s and maybe get a bounce, or down below into the 40 and then get a nice bounce up from that area as well. Moving over into crude oil, let's take a look. So crude oil right in the middle of the range. Resistance 123.19. Gotta get up here and see if we get a nice top and then a push right back down. 121.41 is the first area of resistance, then 120.97, and below that 120.11 and 119.34 to about 119.05, then all the way below 118.56. So we'll see if we get the opportunity, but again, coming down into this area looking for a nice double bottom could lead to a nice long opportunity there, and if not, either 120.97 or coming down into the 120.11s. That's going to be the areas that we look for nice long opportunities if we just stall. But again, right in the middle of that range, so want to try to see if it gets back up to 123.19 on crude oil and then get an opportunity to try to short from there. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, if you guys like the videos, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you're going to continue to trade, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. It pays. Other than that, make sure you guys take care. Have a great night.